Indore, along with 20 other cities, has been selected as winner of Smart City Challenge competition under central government's flagship program, Smart City Mission First Phase. On basis of suggestions, opinions and ideas received from local public, CBD area Rajwada and adjacent areas which is in the center of this rapid growing city have been selected for the area-based development. The Smart City proposal will be implemented in two parts: Area-Based Development Proposal and Pan-City Initiative Proposal. 742 acres of area around Rajwada has been selected as a pilot Smart City area for development. Under this, proposed plans are inclusion of well-planned traffic system and metro for urban transportation, riverfront development, two-way street, one-way street, no vehicle zone, parking zones, revitalization of the urban form of Rajwada area and transforming it into a vibrant center of business while cherishing and conserving its integrity as a historical, social and cultural center. The proposed no vehicle zone will be supported by ample parking spaces along with incorporation of incubation centers. Conservation of heritage and heritage street development for Heritage Walk is one of the initiatives. Apart from making these heritage streets no vehicle zone, construction of plazas and avenues for the citizens will be the key attraction of this proposal. Restoration of traditional bazaars with its historical form by facade treatment which will impart sustainable mobility to footfall in these traditional markets and streets. Shifting of the web of overhead power lines to underground in traditional eateries, gold and silver jewelry shops, cloth and ready-made garment shops, as well as water supply, sewerage, OFC lines and other vital utility services will also be underground by utility ducting, through which footfall and approachability in the area will be easier and narrowness of the roads will be decreased. With such initiatives, economy of these traditional business centers will be revived. Smart street lighting and lighting of public open spaces will be conducted by solar energy. It is also proposed to revitalize the rivers through riverfront development, which will open up the riverfront as development of promenades and healthy environment to bring citizens closer to their natural heritage. These heritage ghats are proposed to be restored and the lining of river will carve out usable public open spaces. CP Shekhar Nagar slum, which was situated in the midst of city for last 40 years, has been shifted to newly constructed homes recently, and development work of this area that comes in Smart City is commenced in the form of riverfront development and green beautification under Amrit Plan. Redevelopment of MOG lines, slums and public land is proposed to be carried out on transit-oriented development principles. These areas will be developed as mixed-use, high-density and walkable communities that has improved pedestrian safety.
The cleanest city of India for 3 consecutive years. Indore, erstwhile seat of Holkars, has transformed from a traditional urban centre into a dynamic metropolitan city. The city is centrally located, having connectivity by rail, road and air to all the major cities of the country. Indore Airport is the busiest airport in central India, which connects 17 destinations of the country
with the flow of more than 100 flights.
Indore is now one of the most favoured destinations for modern living. City life is a perfect blend of our cherished tradition, high-end hotels, hospitals, world-class schools, and 21st century modern amenities. City's IT parks are second to none in the country. Western part of Madhya Pradesh, with Indore as its centre, has been the front-runner of industrial development. Industries have worked as a catalyst for the growth of Indore city. Nowadays, Indore region is the centre of attraction for pharma, automobile, food processing, packaging and IT industry. There are 3 inland container depots in the vicinity, namely Kheda ICD, Dhanad ICD, Tihi ICD, ensuring connectivity to all the major ports at western coast. Pithampur, the largest industrial area in MP, houses more than 1,500 industries, varying from automobiles, pharma, food processing, packaging, and apparel. The land is a part of the ecosystem consisting of multi-product special economic zone, an automobile manufacturing area, and pharma cluster. There are a number of Indian and international giants having their industrial establishments. Shipra, Milan, Bridgestone, Eicher, Mahindra,
Motherson Sumi,
Force Motors, Mahle, Pratibha, Balaji Wafers, Liugong are to name a few. Smart Industrial Park is at a 45-minute drive from Indore Airport. It is located adjacent to industrial area Pithampur, the most vibrant and biggest industrial area of Madhya Pradesh. Smart Industrial Park, which spreads over 469 hectares of land with robust infrastructure like CC Road, 24/7 power supply and other basic facilities. SIP is developed as a modern and green integrated industrial township having on-campus residential, commercial, educational and all other essential amenities with state-of-the-art infrastructure. The Government of India, in collaboration with Government of Madhya Pradesh, is developing the largest testing track in the vicinity of Pithampur. Adjoining SIP, Natrax offers 14 types of testing tracks for automobiles. Other unique features are lakefront development, natural water body channel and streams, open spaces and pathways with green recreational zone. Renowned industrial players like Jamna Auto, Alina Auto,
Harita Seating,
Automotive Axle and Dabur have chosen SIP as their preferred destination.
To say the least, so far from a superstar, and my daydreams are killing me. Feel like I'm losing my mind. I'm never feeling okay. Good days are so hard to find. Just help me numb all the pain. I'm only one step from